channel. My god. Hi guys.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this vlog. If you are new here, my name is Koki and I do a lot of DIYs. I'm trying to do vlogs. I also love like content that is centered on home decor. Centered on home decor. Tani forgive kizungu nayo. Okay, so that's what I do a lot. I do DIYs. I'm trying to do vlog or lifestyle kind of videos. Forgive my shirt is too big. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can get notified anytime I get to upload new videos. You're gonna forgive me because of my lighting, because I am actually seated down because I just wanted to change the angle of shooting, or the place I usually shoot from, because nowadays it has become a little bit gloomy because of the weather, and I hope you understand. So I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog of mine. Of late I've just been feeling like a rasta baby. Bet you I'm not a reggae fan, but I did this. I actually did my hair. I made a video, edited, and never posted. Why? Because I deleted it. And the reason why, I'm so bad at keeping my files together. Like sometimes I make a video and I want to post it, and all of a sudden I don't know what happens, and I just find like I've deleted the content and it's gone. Yeah, just like that. I don't know why. And it sucks sometimes, because like you're like, oh, I want to post that video I did the other time, I want to post this, and then you just go and try to retrieve it and you cannot find it. I meant retrieve, and you cannot find it. So please, let's start by making my hair, because I have realized it has like dandruffs. I have like a lot of flakes from gel, and it needs quite some maintenance. It's not the best, but I love it, and especially when I have to stay at home, because it doesn't have to give shit. I'm just kidding, just kidding. Doesn't have to give anything, but I love it because honestly, it helps me at least not have to go through the turmoil of having to comb or maintain my natural hair. Yeah, and my skin has been misbehaving very badly. I don't know why, but I don't know, it's mosquitoes or it's something I've been eating or what, because I don't know. I just don't know, but they are doing quite okay, because they are not actually like painful. It's just the black marks that are left, but within time they usually shade, and just like my skin just regains its normal color. I don't do anything to them, they just go away. The skin will come back, it will be lighter, and the marks just disappear. So I don't like Kati doing a lot of stuff on it. So please, let's make my hair. I'll start from this. God, my hair is just one of those that when you play it within 2 weeks, the hair is up standing like that, because it's very soft, very, very extremely soft. My hair is very soft, and do I say featherly? Yeah, because even like this place, you can see like they are already like up. Yeah, that's what I have, and I have to do
Way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can.
Second part of this video is just this. What I'm about to show you, my favorite pieces that I thrifted a while back, but I've been using these bags in different occasions, like going for church, going for events, or even traveling everywhere, which I've not been doing. That's a lie. But anyway, let's get into this video. So the first bag is just what you're seeing right here. This is the bag. It's brown, and I love the brown effect, or the these are like the crystalled details on it, and then the crevices have like a darker, let's say like a darker color than the brown. That's the way they look. On the side, this is the view. The front, this is the view, and then it comes with like a knob for opening, and this little handle for like carrying when you don't want to use this part. This was different, so the chain came differently. I actually plugged it from another bag because I felt like it was just giving some vibe to it, and you can also just hold it like that, or even the front, and like that. It didn't break over here where you are seeing this curving over here, but I'm going to be repairing that soon. But this is so good. Inside I have like clothes just to keep the bag in shape, but it's very simple with just like two subsections. I don't know whether you're seeing that. Two subsections here where you can like place your small details. And these details over here, it opens really nicely. I love the back overview. It's really such a quality bag, and especially when you're thrifting. That's the first bag I have. The second one is this one, which is more rectangular. It's almost the same color with the first one. This one not too much details, but it has like two shades of brown. As you can see, there's this brown and this, then the little knob for locking. That's how the inside looks, still with some. The inside is also very simple. It's just one section like that. That's overview. It comes with this what do you call this, the extension for hanging on your shoulder. So that's the second piece, which is really cute. I love this. This is so classic, simple but very classic. The third bag is this navy blue bag. That's how it looks on the side. The shape is also very minimal. It's not like it's not like exaggerated. It's just a simple bag, which I really love. Then this is the inside. I've already used this bag a couple of times, and I love it because of the size. Sometimes, or most times, when you are going outside, you just want to carry something that is very small and very minimal, and something that just has to fit your phone and your necessities. And that is my third piece. My fourth are, these ones are on the smaller scale. Let me remove these things. So my fourth bag is this. It's tiny, not so much details. It's a clear bag, as you can see. Inside it's velvet and this transparent material. Then the knob where you get to lock like that. The bag, actually originally the bag didn't have this. I also got this from another bag, so that if I don't feel like I want to carry it, on my hands, I can actually like use this paddle to hang it on my shoulder, or make it a body cross bag, which is really convenient. I love these bags, especially when I'm going to church, because they are small. They can fit the little things that you want, and they're just convenient. The back, oh, it comes with an extra pocket at the back. Then lastly, I have this bag over here. It's also a red bag, very minimal details. That's how it looks. Yeah, you can also like leave this to go get a little bit longer, and you can just use it as a body cross bag. And the inside is also very simple. Oh my god, it just has like some cards. Very simple but very useful. That's my whole of my bags. They're actually my good like my favorite ones, because I use them a lot. I have a lot of them. but currently that is what I have and that is what I'm using. Like most of the time I always find myself like I'm going to carry that, I'm going to carry that. That's why I want to share with you, and that is my little haul. I hope you enjoy.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would.